Hold on to your seats, folks. This one's about to get intense. In the courtroom, we've got Miss Hennigan bringing a case that's got drama, betrayal, and some serious financial responsibility on the line. Will justice be served? Let's find out.
All rise. Support court with Judge Van B is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1056, Hennigan case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Ms. Hennigan, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my ex-husband, since last year, doesn't come and get our children, doesn't take care of them, and he is just in and out of their lives, and I'm tired of it.
Okay. How many children do you all have?
We have 2 children.
All right. You said ex-husband, so how long have you all been divorced?
We've been divorced for a year because he decided to step outside of our marriage and have another child.
Oh, okay. Okay. I wasn't expecting that.
Neither was I.
All right. So he has an outside child. How old is that child?
All right. So the ex-husband wasn't just absent from family life, he's also skipping out on the courtroom drama. Let's talk legal strategy here. Big mistake. By failing to show up, he's essentially handing Miss Hennigan a win. And the judge? She's not wasting time. This case is already heating up.
He ought to be about 1.
Okay. Do you know where he works?
Yes, he owns his own mechanic shop.
All right. Do you know how much he makes?
I do. He makes about $120 a year.
Okay. Does he do anything financially to support the children?
Not really. He did while we were married, but since we've been divorced, no.
Okay. And you say he doesn't pick them up or anything like that?
Every once in a blue moon.
All right. All right. Do you pay health insurance or does he pay health insurance?
I pay for everything.
Okay. How much is the health insurance?
About $326 a month.
And that's for the children only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. So let's take a look here. I see that he did not show up for court today. All right, I noticed he was served to be here today, looking at the documents that are before me.
Uh-oh, here's where things get serious. The ex-husband doesn't even bother to show up after being served. That's a red flag right there. If you're a parent involved in a child support case, showing up is your chance to argue your case. Skipping court could cost you, and as you'll see, it's going to hit him where it hurts.
You haven't talked to him at all?
I have not.
Okay, did he say he wasn't coming to court today?
I have not talked to him,
Okay.
literally, in a couple of months.
Okay, well, good thing about it is that I can continue to move forward and place him on child support today because he was served to be here and he's technically on notice. So we're going to go ahead and move forward based on the testimony that you gave, okay? So at $120,000 a year, that's what you said he makes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I have his gross at $10,000 a month. That would bring his net to...
Okay, here's the math. $120,000 a year. $74 a month. And when you add in the child support and health insurance, the ex-husband's looking at almost $1,900 a month. A simple financial lesson. Don't mess with your kids' support. That's not something the court is going to overlook.
$7,584.25. And you say you all have 2 children and he has 1 outside child, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so giving him credit for that other child, that brings his child support to about $1,706. You said health insurance is $326 for the children?
Yes.
Okay, so he's going to reimburse half of that to you, so that $163 plus $1,706 brings his monthly child support amount to $1,869 per month. Is there anything further you needed?
No, thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
Now that's a gut punch to the ex-husband. He's got $1,869 a month to pay, plus health insurance. talk about the consequences of not showing up to court. It's the perfect reminder. Make sure you're doing right by your kids, or the court will make sure you do.
It's me, Judge Vonda B. I wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Hennigan case. Well, mom was bringing dad to court. She wanted him to pay child support for the children. Well, what did you notice that was interesting about this case? Dad did not show up for court. Remember, guys, always show up to court when you are served. It may not necessarily change the outcome of the case, but it definitely gives you an opportunity to be heard. Mom testified to the amount of income to her knowledge that dad made from his mechanic shop. His child support was based on that.
Judge Bailey nails it here. It's all about protecting the children and making sure parents step up. For anyone going through a child support battle, remember, the system is designed to protect the kids. And if you're the one avoiding your obligations, don't be surprised when it comes back to bite you.